Redcat Gen 7 Sport. Let's see what's in the box. Set that over there so we can see it. It's fresh. That's pretty fresh. Wow. That's a 1/10 scale, is what they're saying.
More stuff.
And some stuff. Okay. Let's see what we got. Comes with some graphics. Not really sure if the wood grain works for this, and the white might not be bad,
It's the same
but
color as the car.
not really keen on that. And it comes with these things. I'm not really sure what they are, but once I read the book, I bet I do. And here's the charger and battery that are included. And Daryl has the remote, which we need to put batteries in.
Beam me up.
Approximately 2 weeks after unboxing, we're going to get to try and run a full battery out of this Redcat Everest Gen 7. What happened was 10 minutes into driving, screw fell out of the servo, all caught up, broke everything, returned it once, got it back, 10 minutes in, it broke again. Okay, so months and months later, we finally fixed the front end on this little bad boy. A couple little parts and stuff. We'll see how long it goes till it breaks again. Little tricks. We upped the shocks. There's some spots here where you can upgrade, mount the shocks a little higher. Trimmed out the thing. Some little things to the top.
That's Friday the 13th.
That's close enough.
Okay.
We put the spare tire on the back so it's not so top heavy. Kind of cool. We upped the shocks a little bit. We got some spacers in there, just to give it a little. This is my favorite one from the start. So, sorry, I got your face in there. That's Jack Darrell's, and you know, just some little things. So now we're finally gonna, after unboxing it, we're finally gonna get this thing on the track and see what it does.
Ready, set, go!
We had some issues with the front end. Took care of them pretty inexpensively. And really proud of this buggy. We did some personalization and stuff, nothing crazy. And basically, stock buggy. I'm impressed. I give it 5 out of 5. It's been a long time since we run this bad boy. Thank you, Jimmy, Voodoo Child. And we took it out on the track. Did friggin' great. Just baby it. Don't beat it up first time out. Dollawal RC.